flaps.
Shit, and you're already out there? Saying you're already out there? Damn.
75 degrees.
Oh, I couldn't believe he was able to do that.
75
No
degrees.
problem.
No, he's just got good eyes,
Yeah,
I
he
guess.
said he had 27 vision.
And then boom, he could.
9.4 volts.
Alright, shall we
Timer
go?
clear.
Ready? That was scary, right into the sun.
Gear up.
I was
Well, it was for me because my plane disappeared. And when I saw it again, it was rolled the other way.
Oh.
Temperature, no data.
Now I'm looking at sun streaks. Yeah, sneak past would be good because then we'll hear that sound.
Temperature, 79 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, tell me when.
Now.
Temperature, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack, no data.
That was pretty coordinated too.
It was.
Temperature, 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
Slow pass, just
Yep.
nice and slow, eye level. I'm gonna be
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'll be
further
really,
away, but kind of close to it.
really close to us. So
Temperature, no data.
just look out for that sun.
That was good. The sun's in a good place though.
Yeah, it's better now. Although I just looked at it and that's not a good thing to do.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, my plane looks like the sun.
Flight pack, 23.0 volts. Temperature, 86 degrees Fahrenheit.
I've recovered now.
Yeah, me too. Stay away.
Oh man, that was a big jump.
Big
and
orb.
Like,
Degrees
yeah,
Fahrenheit.
exactly.
Like what the? And it was all over the plane because that's what I was
Yeah.
looking at.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm to the point now of almost taking my glasses off.
Touching those?
Yeah, do it.
Temperature, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Gear down. Landing flaps. Landing flaps. Time
Get
remaining
closer.
1 minute. 23.4 volts. Temperature, no data.
Close one
Flaps
of my
up.
eyes this time.
No panic.
I was smarter.
Yep. Instead of looking at the sun, I steered underneath it.
Landing flaps.
I don't know if I'll catch you in time. Let's see.
Temperature,
I think I
84
will. There we
degrees
go.
Fahrenheit.
Now I passed you.
Flight pack, 23.3. 30 seconds.
Well, semi-coordinated.
That was cool. And we split up.
Temperature, 80.
That was really cool because we like went opposite sides of the sun.
Yep.
This is such perfect touch and go weather. It's ridiculous.
Flight pack, 23.2 volts.
I might need to add more flaps on mine.
No data. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Although I like how aggressive I can pull up and turn with the flaps I have.
1.9 volts. Temperature,
can do a dead
88 degrees Fahrenheit.
Over the sun. I saw you.
We were
Yeah.
spread out though.
Temperature, no data.
Get out of here, bug.
Flight pack, 22.8 volts.
Well, the sun's perfect right now. Now you can fly around it and it doesn't matter. It doesn't really blind you. There's the moon.
You can be moved.
Just took my glasses off.
Perfect.
I'm gonna stay flying so I can meet up with you again. There.
Dude, that was nose up the whole time.
Good. Let's. I can see it now. Glasses were keeping me from being able to see. So let me try it
shit.
again.
Oh man. Yeah,
What?
Look at that.
Don't need them.
Put it there. Drop it right now. I need to handle my throat first.
About to stand on them.
Me?
Yeah.
Flight pack 22.3 volts, temperature 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
See if I can catch you. Yep. I was able to speed up and catch you.
Yeah. I'm gonna do takeoff flaps. None noise bullshit.
Okay.
Take the flap.
91
Your takeoff flaps are like my full.
Yeah.
Flight pack 22.6 volts. Timer over 2 minutes 16
Shit.
seconds. Flight pack 22.1 volts.
See, landing for real?
temperature
I think I'll do one more touch and go.
Fahrenheit.
And then I'm coming in because I'm going to throw a jacket on too. Oh, this is perfect. We were actually like almost right next to each other. I'm going to cut it short.
Your battery suffering?
I just want to make sure.
Temperature 90
I just don't know what it's. I have no telemetry, so I'm listening to yours, but you've got a 40C and I got a 60.
Flight pack 22.4 volts. Temperature 99 degrees Fahrenheit.
I love how even with the nose in the air, that rudder still works.
Yeah.
Okay, where are we flying next? Because we've got sun going down quick.
Flight pack 22.2 volts.
I have one more
Temperature
pack to this.
95 degrees Fahrenheit.
That was perfect. That landing was perfect. I couldn't even tell when they were on the ground.
They were like, oh
I just heard noise, but it was just them rolling. That was it.
4 volts.
Dude, it is